about mindfulness, focus in one thing at a time. And now that you are not listening to me anymore. Oh wow, okay. Yes, ma'am. How do we learn to detach and be mindful? So we know about attachment already, right? We know that really well. But how do we detach? How do we practice mindfulness? And mindfulness is the key for all of this. Mindfulness is simply just within our breath right here, by the nostril area. We breathe every day. Okay, enough. Let's focus in my talk. Practicing mindfulness means we put awareness here within our breath going in and now the breath going out. When you breathe in, you're aware of that breath going in. When you breathe out, you're aware of that breath going out. All we need to do is just focus on that in and out without forcing our breath. Just breathe in and out naturally. And then each breath go in, you realize, you acknowledge it. You note that as in, and breathe out, you note that as out. And focus in that. When you focus in your breathing, now that you can see your thoughts arise. Thought is arising every second. It's just that we cannot see them because they are going very quickly. They come and goes just like that, quickly. We cannot see them. And now that we let go of everything and focus on our breathing.